Welcome back. We are going to be changing the oil in this. Next race is next weekend, so I need to change engine oil and gear oil, and we're going to change the axle. I don't really know how to work on this side by side, so my husband is going to help me out. I can't take music out. Just turn it down. Or just put an AirPod in. Talk me through what you're doing.
I gotta pull this pin and this bolt so the axle goes through.
Okay. So, air filter.
There we go. Thank you.
Okay, so
this is a it's the 11.
okay,
So the
so
other one's
we just need to change the boot. We don't need to change the whole
the whole.
axle.
Well, I'm gonna try to put a different axle in it.
Yeah, but this one is still good, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so what parts are we supposed to clean? Just the whole thing?
Just the splines on the ends.
Oh, okay.
I can't believe that wheel is so loose.
What?
That's all it was. It was just that nut wasn't turned.
So it's just...
He's gonna fucking laugh. It's just because it locks this. But like when it was locked, it won't go in. It's loosened right now.
Oh, so you had it
It was
tightened
locked already. Neither of us even thought about it because we didn't think it would stop it from like just even starting to go in. To clean that stuff up.
Yeah.
Let's see how I do this.
What do you need?
No, never mind.
So to make it faster, we need to take that off.
I couldn't do it. Yep. Are you talking about this?
Yeah.
I couldn't do it without it.
Okay, so what's next?
You want to change
Change
the
oil. We should do this, I saw Cam Reimers from Gunk do a deal with his wife with some trivia where he pointed at parts on the car and she had to guess what it was.
Oh yeah.
So you should do that, see if I know what stuff
Why
is.
is it an adapter? Once you go up in the air one time or whatever and it stretches and comes back, it'll clear it.
let's do the trivia. I want you to quiz me. See if I know any.
I don't know much more than you do. I don't want to do that.
Okay.
It's oilless and you just got to cover on it.
So this one takes oil.
Huh?
This one takes oil.
Yeah, it's oil.
So is that the same as your dirt bike?
What?
Like the same thing as your dirt bike?
Yes. Hey, you got
Okay.
springs. Some too.
So where does it drain off of there? Down there? Okay.
So we'll just put the fancy new funnel under there. Just hold it. We need something decent. That holds like 3.5 quarts or something. You're gonna have to.
Okay, so we learned how to not drain it.
Well, I suppose if you had a bigger funnel and hose or something.
This did not work. Okay, so it's so funny. My dad calls it Maxim instead of Maxima.
Need to put a half quart of oil in the top side. The oil stays up here in this sump tank. But you just want to put some oil back down in there so the bottom end, so it's not like starving for oil when you start the motor
Okay.
back up.
So only half of this into here,
Yes.
and everything else goes in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
It cycles out of here, which is good for like racing stuff. Yeah, you just want to get a little bit of oil back down in there in the motor, so when we start it.
I don't know if that's half.
It's just whatever it is. It's good.
I say a little bit more. Okay. That feels like half. Okay.
We're gonna put 3.5 in it. And we'll take it off the blocks and start it.
Okay. Okay, so that's 2.5,
Just three.
right? Oh, counting. Yeah. Okay, that's 3. Caps are on.
Yep.
Everything's plugged.
Nuts bolted in. Those two. We're good. Oil's back in.
See, you like my headlamp?
I mean, I sure.
Sure. It comes in handy. Okay, so how do we change the gear
Hey,
oil?
do I need to take that off to get?
All right. Am I good?
Yeah, we shouldn't be too far behind you. Maybe
Just gotta do the gear
30
oil.
minutes.
Yeah, I mean, everything good here with this?
Yeah.
Doing it right, Megan?
Just gotta get it Megan
Yeah.
proof.
There you go. All right, we'll see you down there.
All right. Can you grab one of the blue towels, baby? Thank you.
What just threw it in your face? So how much does the front?
Like 13 ounces.
Oh, okay. So not very much.
So like a third of a bottle. So a whole change takes less than 2 bottles.
So, yeah, because this is 33. So we need 3.5 for the engine and like 1.5.
I don't know. The engine might be 4 or more because of that oil tank. We gotta start it and run it and see.
Yeah.
But we'll do that at the track. It's fine. I wish we had a reader and we could just pour 13 into it. But
Oh, like a beaker?
already, right? I got it home. Chill there.
Like a measuring cup?
Yeah. Okay.
Does that mean more?
No. Hold on, sir. I don't know if there's any in here or not. No. Okay.
Okay, is that it?
Yeah.
Yep. Good job, babe. Did great job changing the oil.
Thank you.
So.
You did a great job helping.
I didn't do much. This was our first time changing the oil in our Arctic Cat race car. And so, yeah, kind of learning as we go. Definitely was not perfect this first time around. We did make some mistakes. We might have spilled some oil, but that's okay. We learn. And so now we know next time what to do. So just wanted to take you along on this journey because I know how scary it can be to be vulnerable about things like this, especially when you're working on a car that you didn't build, don't really know much about it other than, you know, obviously how to drive it. Other than that, I'm so excited. I love this machine. I love my Dunes car, which is exact same as this. So love this machine. I'm so excited to get back behind the wheel for our next race. So again, make sure you follow along to cheer us on and let me know if you liked this content. Do you like to see the behind the scenes of what it's like to work on the cars? Maintenance wise, we don't have to do as much engine stuff like we do on our drag cars, but you know, there's still stuff to work on, especially if you break something, which, you know, fingers crossed that we don't break anything at this next race. I'm learning that especially with dirt track racing, you know, rubbing is racing. Things happen. You hit the wall. You might run into someone. You never know what's going to happen. So, but yeah, so let me know. Do you like to see this content? Do you like the vulnerable side of it, the behind the scenes, the unedited, the raw, the real content? Or would you rather just see kind of the highlight show where it's just the, you know, wins, podiums, cool parts, or do you want to see the whole thing? So let me know in the comments of this video what you like, and if you do like this, then we will make sure to get more content for you as we learn how to maintain and work on this car. If we ever are going to be doing any changes in the off season, there's about 3 races left this season. Adam is in the market for his own side-by-side, still on the fence if we're going to get him an Arctic Cat like this, so that way we can match it and things will be identical, or if he wants to do a Polaris or a Can-Am or a Yamaha or a Honda, totally up to him what he wants, but I'm sticking with this one. This one's mine. So thanks for watching. Again, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see more. I'll be posting more videos of how we do at the race, the cool GoPro shots, all that type of stuff, and hopefully, you know, back on the podium. So we'll see. But thank you for watching and wish us good luck. Take your pants off. I don't know about you, but anytime I'm washing stuff, I get so thirsty. So, watermelon for the win. We got.
And then
They can't see you. We got motorhome and car washed and cleaned, ready to load up. Henry, you got your pants are coming off.
turn it down.
No, because your pants are off.
I'm gonna
Put your pants back on, and then you can be on the camera.